Rolling? Check. Okay, so I prepared a script, but I don't need this. Anyway, welcome back, everybody. I'm Rob, and this is the Bewildered channel, and I'm so glad you stopped in. Long overdue video. I have some big news. But first, I bet you're wondering where I've been. And I'd love to tell you, but I can't. But let me tell you this. What I can tell you is I'm okay. My S1 is okay. This one is still not okay. And I have an update on this. And you might not be all that happy about it, actually. I actually have some sad news to share. This is going bye-bye. Yes, I know. I, more than anyone, wanted to see this thing rebuilt. The 1979 Lotus Esprit, infamous JPS from the Rudi Klein auction. Someone else has a little more interest, has a little more funding than I do, and I'm happy to see it go and get actually restored. Trust me, I tried to get funding, I tried sponsorships, I tried everything you could think of, but it's just not working out. And lacking the time and the resources, it's just not going to happen. I'm happy to see it go. It's going overseas, and somebody is very interested in it, and I wish them all the best, and I hope they're able to restore this. I did verify that it is number 007, so that's really cool. This is a cool car. It's got a lot of cool history. It may not look like much right now, but someday I think it will, just not in my garage. In the meantime, don't go anywhere, because I'm still working on the Lotus Esprit S1, and I promise more videos are coming, hopefully really soon. And priority number one, let's get that engine working. Thank you so much. I love all the comments that you guys are posting. They've been so helpful. I've been around cars all my life, but I don't know what I don't know. And when it comes to the Lotus in particular, I know very little, but I'm learning quickly, thanks to all of you. Thanks for your support. And I'll continue making videos, I promise. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friends. See you later. So if you've been wondering where I've been, I can't really tell you. And I can promise you it wasn't aliens or anything like that. I don't think. I don't know, something.